The Mazda CX-5 2026 just dropped, and it might be the moment every SUV buyer's been waiting for. But here's the twist, Mazda says it's evolved beyond just being another crossover. So, what exactly did they do to make the 2026 CX-5 feel like a car that flirts with luxury, challenges the RAV4, and dares you to rethink what premium really means? Stick around, because there's one hidden upgrade Mazda didn't even highlight in the press release, and it's a game changer. From the moment you see it, the new CX-5 grabs your eyes and doesn't let go. The redesigned grille now flows seamlessly into those razor-sharp LED headlights that almost look alive. The curves. They're cleaner, tighter, like Mazda studied how light dances across the body and sculpted it for maximum drama. The stance sits lower and wider, with a hint of muscle in every line. And those new 20-inch diamond-cut alloys. They don't just spin, they flex. You think you've seen a pretty SUV? Wait until you step inside. Inside, it's a whole new atmosphere. The doors close with that satisfying thunk that luxury brands love to brag about. The seats, wrapped in Nappa leather that feels like it came straight out of a high-end boutique, are now both ventilated and massaging. Ambient lighting fades softly across the dash, not gimmicky, just elegant. The cabin insulation is so quiet, you could almost hear your heartbeat on a long drive. Mazda clearly went after the Germans here, and honestly, they're close. But then you notice the massive floating infotainment screen and wonder, did they finally fix Mazda's tech lag? Oh, yes. And it gets wild. Because this time, Mazda didn't just update their infotainment, they rebuilt it. The new 13-inch OLED touchscreen runs their redesigned Mazda Connect OS, now with wireless everything, CarPlay, Android Auto, even OTA updates. The voice assistant feels way smarter. You can say, "Hey Mazda, I'm cold," and the system literally adjusts your temperature zone in seconds. And get this, the CX-5 now features an augmented reality heads-up display that projects your navigation onto the actual road ahead. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Would you want that tech in your next car? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious who's Team AR versus Team Analog. Under the hood, it's still that familiar 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, but tuned up to 275 horsepower with smoother throttle mapping. Power delivery feels instant, no lag, no hesitation, just a confident surge. All-wheel drive comes standard, and the handling? Still that signature Mazda sharpness, like a dancer in sneakers. Fuel economy's solid too, around 29 miles per gallon combined, which means this isn't just a thrill machine, it's a practical daily cruiser. But here's the part Mazda didn't shout about, and it might just redefine what safe means. Mazda quietly introduced something called Driver Sense Biomonitoring. There's a tiny infrared camera in the dash that tracks your eye movement and heart rate. If it senses fatigue or distraction, it gently vibrates the steering wheel and tightens your seatbelt, not to startle you, but to refocus you. It's not just safety, it's almost empathy. And for families, that's huge, because peace of mind isn't just about airbags anymore, it's about being seen, protected, and understood. That's the real reveal. Picture this, you're cruising home after a long day, sunset glowing through the windshield, your playlist soft in the background, and for a moment, you forget you're even driving. The CX-5 feels like a quiet companion, not a machine. It's that blend of emotion and engineering that keeps Mazda lovers loyal. So, is the 2026 Mazda CX-5 perfect? Not quite. The rear space could be bigger, and it's still not as rugged as a Subaru Forester. But when it comes to design, comfort, and that intangible soul, it's easily one of the most human SUVs on the road today. Smash that like button if this car deserves the spotlight, drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe, because the next one might just blow this away.